All right, mic check. Okay, afternoon, everyone. Okay, today is slightly later for my this weekly analysis for the next week, and also, yep, as the usual stuff that I do, review what has happened last week, the some of the trade that I did, and etc. Okay, so without further ado, let's move on to the Forex Factory as we check for the calendar. So let's take a look at next week. So for next week wise, Monday it will be quite light in terms of the news, economic news that's coming out for the forex or for the financial market. I mean, these are the news that could also impact the indices and stuff like that. Okay, I mean your stock market. Okay, so Monday, Japan is still on holiday. I think it's, yeah, I think for the week of I think last week it has been quite quiet for the Japanese Japanese market. I think was their holiday week or something like that. So yeah, okay, for the UK side, it is also on, it's also closed. So if you are trading on the UK market, I mean the London Open, and your and let's say you are scalping or very short term trade, then likely you want to you be mindful on Monday itself, because since the market is closed, the price is not that, I mean, from my perspective, it's not that reliable, and things like that. Okay, so that's for Monday. And Tuesday we do have the Aussies, or the Australian cash rate. So they are actually forecasting to have a interest rate at 4.35, 4.35%. So as you can see, the interest rate has been steadily going up, and it has been staying put for quite some time, for a few of the for a few months. Okay, then so do take note if you are trading on the Aussie dollar. And then also, for the pound, there's also a interest rate decision on Thursday itself. Then most of the news, it seems like it's not so much on the US side, unless for Thursday on the unemployment claim. And I think last week was quite a hectic week for us to have in the forex market, especially for the FOMC, and also the non-farm payroll, which was on Friday, right? Okay, so moving back to the chart. Okay, so just a revisit on what has happened. I mean the trade that I have took for last week. And no, there are some trades that I took, but I didn't really exactly mention it in my this trading idea itself. Okay, so one of them is actually on silver. So I did also share this trading idea, or this trade, with my group in WhatsApp. So if you are interested, you can actually find the link at the bottom of this video description. And then you can actually join from there on. Okay, and then I will actually share some of my trading ideas, and have some trade calls over the week as well. Okay, so that is that. So for the what you call that, this silver, I can't exactly remember, but maybe I did mention about it, that I am actually quite, I mean, I'm a little more biased on it coming down for last week. So last week I could have mentioned it on the video itself. I can't exactly remember, but so anyway, what I did saw was this. You can see that it is like a consolidation. I mean, this was a consolidation that broke out. So I took a shot over here. I think I took some over here, and then it came back up all the way, and this was actually a yeah higher time frame H4 trade. So my stop loss was, I think, somewhere here. I think about 50 or 60. I can't exactly remember, but yeah, that was where I put my stop loss. I think 1.5 times of the ATR on the 4 hourly. Okay, so that was the trade. So I took some and then I trailed, and yeah, my stop loss was still not adjusted, and then I took out another part over here. Then yeah, my stop loss is right now over here. So let's see how it play out for next week. Next week I will still see if I still want to actually add on position to it. Reason being is that if you were to look at it at a higher time frame for this silver, I think the uptrend could be already gone, or yeah, could have more retracement, at least maybe until this area 2450, or yeah, this is a area that you can take a look at as well, 2580. So it has actually two bounce over here. So yeah, I am actually looking at it to correct a little bit more. Yeah, if it were to clear this level, right, to 25 or 26, just to round it up, $26, then most likely we'll be heading for this next level over here around 25 ish. Okay, so just to mark it out. mm, okay, just to mark it up, mark out the area. Okay, so as you can see over here, this could likely be a area to bounce, and then okay, for the next level that we are looking at, quite likely could be here. Yeah, over here as well. This was the last yeah, then the area of support and resistance, so somewhere of 2450. Okay, so right now, the trend over here is still a down on the downside. So as long as it don't form, or rather it don't yeah, break and go up higher, then of course I will be still looking at it to go on short. Yeah, if there's a consolidation and breakout from here, then yeah, probably it would be nice to go on short. Okay, for the silver. Then likewise for the gold, right now is actually holding on to this 2290 or 22, yeah, 80ish level over here. So similar thing is just that I do think that this gold is not as weak as compared to the silver. And yeah, if it were to correct more, then of course you will see this area being cleared out. Okay, uh from this, and likely it could be coming down more. So if it were to break and close lower, then of course pullbacks will be ideal for us to look for shorts. Okay, so yeah, if gold were to correct, I think it still it has quite a big, yeah, big room for it to correct. Okay, there isn't too much of a nice support level, maybe here, or yeah, maybe in this area. This will be the next level for it to for us to look at. Okay, so this will be for gold, and then let's take a look at the okay. I think I I I was like jumping around, but anyway, let's look at the USD. So USD, I was actually looking at it. I mean, my bias was actually looking for a breakout to at least to test this level again. But last week after the Wednesday, I think Wednesday there was some. news that was related to the inflation. So it was more like it is telling the market that inflation seems like is in check or something like this. Can't remember exactly what it is. Maybe just to refer back. Yeah, I mean, anyway, that actually has caused a U-turn on the market itself. Okay, so that yeah, after which the USD just came yeah, U-turn and went downwards. So right now it seems like it has been it is coming to test this last support resistance level. And then for me, I think likely wise, right now, the scenario is that since it this might be a flush out for, yeah, to a bull trap or something, then right now we do have a lower low on the 4 hourly chart. So for me, I would say that, yeah, this could be a clear, I mean, a early signal for us to look for, early signal that the bull in the US dollar could be already exhausted or whatnot. So yeah, I for the next week, I think for me probably I will be looking at yeah, what you call it, shorting the pullbacks, or yeah, basically more biased towards the downside for the USD. So if I'm yeah, bearish bias on the US dollar, then probably for the majors, I am actually majors. That means like for pair like Euro USD, Pound USD, the XXX against USD lah. Basically, I will be looking for long. Then on the I mean, conversely, for the pairs like let's say dollar CAD, dollar Swiss franc, then I'll be looking to actually go on short. Okay, so yeah, basically that is that. Okay, so right now, yeah, of course, if there's pullback, that would be good for us to go on long. And then yeah, this I mean, USD is starting to turn weaker on the higher time frame already. Then for Swiss franc, I also, oh yeah, Swiss franc, I think I also did short. And reason being is that for this pair, it has actually came into a critical yeah, I did a short last week for Swiss franc USD. Yeah, this was the turning point. And over here I did see a 3 bar reversal on the 4 hourly. So this was the one. And yeah, I took a shot, and it ended up quite well in terms of the yeah, in terms of this trade. Yep. So let me see how I can change. Okay, yeah, put it to a different color. Okay, anyway, this was the one. Okay, then I think I took off over here. And then after which I didn't go on to, yeah, because my stop loss was just above this yeah, three bar reversal on the 4 hourly. Okay, so this was another trade that I took last week. One is silver, this is Swiss franc. So as and when I remember, I will just mention about the trade that I have done. Okay, so moving back, yeah, we were talking about the dollar, right? So for me, I will be more biased in yeah, biased as in bearish bias on the US dollar for next week, and see how the price action actually plays out. And then for other pairs, right, I mean, you can also take a look at Euro Aussies. I will be more biased to the downside. So yeah, this will be on the downside for me, downside. And Pound Aussies as well. And yeah, this, and just to take note that just how we have mentioned about this Aussies dollar, I mean, yeah, Aussies interest rate, right? So let's see, Monday, maybe we might have some what you call it, entries for us to go on short for the Euro Aussies or the Pound Aussies. Let's see how is it. But then yeah, I think there will be clearer picture after the Aussies dollar cash rate. Reason being is that if you were to take a look at the Aussies dollar, right, it has been what I think the most bullish, or rather the one of the most more bullish currency over the last 2 to 3 weeks, right? Then yeah, but just be mindful that it is right now as a at a key area. Okay, so over here, you see it has rejected the last time for rejected 2 or 3 times. This is the daily time frame. So yeah, just take a look. Maybe the market might just play around in this zone before Tuesday, to make a decision whether you want to break out further, or have a little bit more pullbacks. Okay, so that is that for the Aussies dollar. And then go okay, so we have mentioned about this and this, which is the Aussies dollar, I mean Euro Aussies. Okay, so yeah, Aussies dollar, Euro Aussies and Pound Aussies. Then yeah, I think I also mentioned about silver. So silver over here, yep, consolidating before it move down lower, or if not, then if it has more bullish buyers, then of course I would like to see it forming, yeah break out to form a new high before it pull back to go up higher. So right now I'm still bearish bias on the silver and also for the gold. Okay, so these are two of them. Then for the index wise, I think, I mean, look at things how it is like, uh the I won't go on short for the index. Reason being, I think there are quite a lot of this. um I think so far the news that came out, I mean, in terms of the our financial reports and all that, it seems pretty good for the most of, I think, those bigger companies. And then also that the price action hasn't been too, what you call it, haven't tell me a good picture for me to go short. But rather I think it could have more upside if it were to break out and then pull back to go up higher. Okay, so it hasn't been weak so far. Like what a lot of people say, there might be more correction coming coming over to the market. But yeah, I haven't seen anything too significant for the bears to be too biased on. So looking at it to actually pull back further upwards, maybe it will still, I mean, since it's a election year, maybe it will just uh, go up higher and continue this uptrend. But that is on a longer time frame. But yeah, for this, in this case, right, I think forming a higher high will be good for determining that this is a trend that it could be going to the upside. Okay, so that's all for the week. For this week analysis. Next week I will be doing the same thing again, and covering the analysis and all that. So hopefully you'll have a good week trading for the next week and the week to come. Thank you.